Hi children, welcome to Maths Foundation classes. In this class, you are going to learn in number system, what are the different types of numbers in our number system. First, let us talk about odd numbers. What are odd numbers? The odd numbers are those numbers which are not exactly divisible by 2. So they are not divisible by 2. They have a remainder 1 when divided by 2. So what are odd numbers means? Let us take 3. Is 3 divided by 2 exactly? So 2 ones are 2. Then the remainder will be 1. So if the remainder is 1 after division with 2 or division by 2, then those numbers are called as odd numbers. So odd numbers are those numbers which are not divisible by 2. Odd numbers are not divisible by 2. What are the examples of odd numbers means? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. So like this, these are the odd numbers. Odd numbers are not divisible by 2. The numbers which are not exactly divisible by 2 are the numbers whose remainder is 1 when divided by 2 are called as odd numbers. Then what are even numbers? Even numbers are those numbers which gives remainder 0 when divided by 2. That means they are exactly divided by 2. The remainder will become 0. So those numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 like this. This has no end at all. Because numbers have no end, they are infinite, and odd numbers are infinite and even numbers are also infinite. So these are positive even numbers. You can write negative even numbers also, -2, -4 like that. Here also odd numbers positive and negative odd numbers are there. So when a number is exactly divisible by 2, exactly divisible by 2, then they are called as even numbers. Not divisible by 2, they are called as odd numbers. Then what about prime numbers? So prime numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 1 and itself. Numbers that are divisible by 1 and itself. That means they go with one table and the same table itself. Not any other table, only two factors. There will be exactly two factors for prime numbers. Exactly two factors and not more than that. That means they are divisible by 1 and the number itself. Let us take some example. Is 1 a prime number? No, because 1 is not divisible by any two numbers. 1 is divisible by only 1. So a prime number should have two factors, exactly two factors, not more than that and not less than that. So it has exactly two factors. Here 1 is divisible by only one table, so this is not a prime number. Then let us take 2. 2 is divisible by 2 table and also 1 table. 2 ones are 2 and 1 twos are 2. So 2 is divisible by 2 and also 1. So the numbers which are divisible by 1 and the number itself are called as prime numbers. When you go on writing these prime numbers, you get 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. So 15 is not a prime number because 15 is divisible by 3 table. So 15 is divisible by 1 table, 3 table, 5 table and 15 table. So these have 4 factors. So these are not called primes. 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. These are the prime numbers up to 100. So how many prime numbers are up to 100 means if you count all these, you will get 25 prime numbers. How many prime numbers? 25 primes are there from 1 to 100. So how many primes up to 50 means 15 primes are there from 1 to 50. Then what are composite numbers? So we have learned prime numbers now. Prime numbers have exactly 2 factors and composite numbers have more than 2 factors. That means more than or equal to 3 factors. So it should have 3 factors or more than 3 factors. That means every composite number is divisible by the number itself and 1 and also one additional number. Let us take one example. Is 2 a composite number? No, because 2 is divisible by 1 table and 2 table, not other than these tables. So no other table divides 2. 2 is only divided by 1 and itself. So it becomes a prime number. 3 is also divisible by 1 and 3. So it is also prime number. Then the composite number starts from 4 because 4 goes with 1 table, 2 table and also 4 table. 1 4s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4. 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14. Now from here onwards, after 4, whichever are not prime numbers, the remaining all are composite. 16, 18, 20, 21. So remove all the primes, you get all the composites. If you remove all the prime numbers, the remaining numbers are called as composite numbers. So these are the different numbers in number system: even numbers, odd numbers, prime numbers and composite numbers. And there is one more division in numbers, that is numbers can be divided as natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers and irrational numbers. All these combinedly called as real numbers. So totally all numbers which have value or which don't have value, rational or irrational, they are called as real numbers. So real numbers are, what are real numbers means all these numbers: natural, whole, integers, rational, irrational. Generally rational and irrational numbers combinedly called as real numbers. In rational numbers you get integers, whole numbers and natural numbers. So what are these numbers? We will see one by one. The first one is natural numbers. Natural numbers are denoted by the letter n. Natural numbers means counting numbers. So natural numbers are denoted by n and natural numbers are counting numbers. Where do you start counting numbers? We start counting from 1. So it starts with 1 and it has no end at all. These are called as natural numbers. Then what are whole numbers? Whole numbers are denoted by the letter W, and all natural numbers, and in addition with those natural numbers, if we add 0, then the total numbers are called as whole numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So whole numbers start from 0 and natural numbers start from 1. Then the next one is integers. Integers are denoted by the letter Z. So integers are both negative integers, positive integers and also 0. So we have positive integers and we have negative integers also. Positive integers are denoted by the letter Z plus. Positive integers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Negative integers are denoted by the letter Z minus. These are minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. And non-positive, non-negative are denoted by Z star, that is 0. Non-negative, non-positive. So this is about natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. The next type of numbers are rational numbers. So rational numbers are written in the form of P by Q. So rational numbers will be fractional part where Q not equal to 0. This denominator should not be equal to 0 like this. 3 by 4, 5 by 7, 1 by 8 like this. Rational numbers are in the form of P by Q where Q not equal to 0. This Q should not be equal to 0 because if Q becomes 0 then the total answer will become infinite. So rational numbers are in the form of P by Q. Then rational numbers are denoted with letter Q. Then irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are those numbers which are not rational numbers. If a number is not rational, then it is called as irrational and it is denoted with letter Q dash or Q complement. You can write any letter Q dash or Q complement. Example, they don't have any real value. Root 2, root 3, pi. Like this, all numbers which don't have exact value are called as irrational numbers, which are written in the form of P by Q are called as rational numbers. These bar type questions are also called as rational numbers. 1.23 bar, 1.1 bar, all these questions are called as rational numbers. So the difference between rational and irrational is rational numbers are terminating, that means we get a remainder 0, or non-terminating repeating like this. Non-terminating but repeating. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3 will be repeated. And irrational numbers are non-terminating and non-repeating. Non-terminating and non-repeating decimals. That means they don't terminate. That means their value should not be like this. If 2 is dividing some number 14 like this, 2 7s are 14, the remainder is 0. These are terminating. So 14 by 2 is terminating. But they are non-terminating and also non-repeating. They are not terminating and also not repeating. Those numbers are called as irrational numbers. Let us take one example. 1 by 3. Is 1 by 3 rational or irrational? With 3 table you have to divide 1. 3 0 0. 1 will be there. After keeping point you get 0. 3 3s are 9. So again 10 will be there. 3 3s are 9. Remainder 1. 3 3s are 9. So the answer is 0.3333 repeating. So all these repeating decimals will be rational. Remember this? This repeating decimals, if you get repeating answer, then those numbers are called as rational numbers, and which are non-repeating like this 3.17521 and no end at all, and also they are not repeating, then they are called as irrational numbers. So hope you understand what are rational numbers and irrational numbers. Rational numbers are denoted by the letter Q and irrational numbers are denoted by the letter Q dash. If I combine both Q and Q dash, then I get real numbers. So real numbers are all the numbers that exist in rational and also irrational. So union of, that means combination of rational numbers and irrational numbers is called as real numbers. So this is about different kinds of numbers in number system.